Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we have a Beachly box opening. So for those of you who do not know what a Beachly box is, I will leave information down in the description box below, but I want to get into this. This came yesterday, and honestly, I didn't think I was going to be getting any more subscriptions, but I'll explain about that in just a little bit. Right now, here's me opening it for the first time. Oh, okay, so we got... This is what we have. Paper. We have a Beachly flyer. Your treatment to just tap away. Okay, interesting. These are now being delivered by Amazon. And then we've got all of our Beachly stuff in here. So Beachly is a seasonal subscription. I thought I had one more season left. I did not. And they didn't notify me that I was going to be paying another $400. That's including tax, by the way. And so it kind of caught me by surprise. But I'm like, I know it's a new company has taken over. And it looks like it's going to be a lot easier to figure out which subscription is coming when and all that kind of stuff. So I know next December I need to cut them off before they charge me again. Anyway, let's see. Ooh, lots of fun goodies in here. Number one, we have a big old sweatshirt. C'est la vie. I like that. Let's see, what size did I get? I normally wear mediums, but when it comes to sweatshirts, I like to get oversized, so I ordered a large. It's a hoodie. I actually may put this on, like, soon, because I am freezing right now. I know y'all are probably thinking, oh, Louisiana. It's not that cold. Well, for me it is. All right, the next thing we're going to open here, it looks like a fold-up visor. I have a fold-up visor, but it takes up a lot of room, even though it is a fold-up. This doesn't take up that much room. I don't like hats, but I do like visors. Oh, I don't know about this. Maybe that'll flatten out after a while. Oh, okay. I remember now. This I picked out some stuff that was like, eh. This right here, I think it's going to go to my daughter-in-law. Hers broke. She sleeps in them. If I was to sleep in this, it'd probably wind up around my neck, and I might hang myself. This is a really nice cloth, though. I like this. And then what is this? Oh, a pillowcase. This would be great. Believe it or not, I do have a little bit of wave to my hair. And these silky type pillowcases are great. So yes, I will use these. No, I'll not use this, but I do know somebody that will. All right. Next thing is Jiggy. What's Jiggy? Oh, jigsaw puzzles. I am not much of a jigsaw puzzle person, but what is this? Let's see. Oh, puzzle glue. Okay. Congrats on your masterpiece. Let's make it last. Follow the code for gluing instructions and more. So I guess you can put this together and it'll tell you how to make it so it's for everything. Oh, I love that. That is really nice. You know, this would actually make a nice gift for somebody that's a puzzle person. I wonder if I know anybody that's a puzzle person. And honestly, if they're not a puzzle person, it still would be really cool to do it and give it to them as a little art, something to hang on their wall or something. But look, I mean, it comes really nicely to give somebody as a gift. Oh, game night in a can. The creative card game for on-the-go fun. 35 hilarious mini games. Mix and match to create the perfect party for your family and friends, full of creative competitions, laugh out loud, improv physical challenges, and tons of fun all in one can. So you have the can game, 35 game cards, and complete instructions. You know, some of my family and I, we just got back from visiting my mom and my two sisters down in Florida. And they like to play games. This would have been a really fun thing to have. Doesn't take up that much room. 35 games. Maybe I'll do a video only on this. I don't know. Let me know if that might interest you. They must have really been into games this time, because we got Piggy Piggy Hug It All to Win. And it's, oh, look, it's another game. Let's see, Piggy Piggy. Play food cards. Steal pigs. Score points. It's a cute little container it comes in. And again, this would be nice to take traveling. Oh, it's taped, so I can't get it open. But all right, what else do we have here? Oh, look. It's a little heart cutting board. Actually, what are those? Those are called charcuterie board. That would be kind of fun to put some Valentine treats on for Valentine's Day. And it's bamboo. What is this? Barefoot Scientist. It's very heavy. They look like socks, but they're awfully big for socks. Oh, ooh. Interesting. I wonder what that feels like. I have really bad feet. Let me just say, I've developed arthritis. I have plantar fasciitis. I have bunions. I have neuropathy in my toes. And my feet hurt all the time. I dance, and everybody says we need to quit dancing. But according to the doctor, he told me don't quit dancing because my feet will get worse. And I don't want to quit dancing. But this might be a nice little therapy for my feet. It says extended moisture release technology nourishes skin to provide deep hydration and helps feet recover from everyday wear and tear. Soft gel lining delivers an antioxidant rich blend of natural moisturizers over the entire foot while releasing a calm scent from aloe oil. Socks feature a sustainable cotton knit material with an elastic spandex blend for stretch, as well as anti-slip dots for safe during the day. So the best ingredients from Science and Nature. We have jojoba oil, aloe oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil. Okay, this is how you use it. It says you slip on socks that can be worn while sleeping or anytime during the day for a few hours. The low-profile style can fit comfortably, stretched to accommodate a wide range of foot sizes. Socks can be worn 12 times before the moisturizer formula is fully released. Use can be combined with high dive, intensive hydration cream, or added moisturizing therapy. Socks can be gently washed and hand laid to dry. So it has jojoba oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and aloe oil. All right, I am not going to put them on right now. I have dance tomorrow. I haven't danced for a couple weeks. So I have a feeling I'm going to come home and my feet are going to hurt me pretty badly. But when I get home, I'm going to put these on. Another thing I suffer from is very, very, very dry, calloused feet. The bottom of my feet, they're very dry and calloused. I think this is pretty typical for dancers. I get a lot of cracking and all, and this might help with that. Okay, so my opinion on what I got is supposed to be worth, I think, a couple $100, or maybe even more than that. Is it worth a couple of $100? In my opinion, the answer would be no. So let's go through some things. First off, let's go to this hoodie. According to Beachly, this hoodie should be worth $68. First off, I would never spend $68 on a sweatshirt. Do I think it's worth $68? No. I think a lot of these companies jack up the prices and then they can, quote, put them on sale or give you a good deal. That's my opinion on a lot of this stuff. $68. Talk about being overpriced. The second thing is the foldable sun visor. It says it's worth $25. Is it worth $25? I would say no. This is not good. Maybe there's a better way to fold this so those folds aren't really that wonky. Honestly, I could just lay it flat in my suitcase, and maybe I'll try to lay it flat and see if it flattens out and then looks nicer on. But this looks very silly. Probably won't wear it. And no, it's not worth $25. So the next thing is this charcuterie board, which I looked it up, and this is what they're calling it. The Heart Charcuterie Board. Be kind. Value, $50. $50. A, I wouldn't spend $50 on it. B, it's not worth $50. It's cute, but not $50 worth. So the pillowcase, which I believe this is silk, so that's good. The Be Kind eye thingy. And this nice little rag. Let me see if it says what it's made from. This is all worth, it sells for $50. Let's see. Clean bamboo. So this is bamboo. See what it says what the pillowcase is. And maybe it's bamboo. I don't know. It's very, very soft though. But whatever it is good quality. But $50. And maybe it is. Maybe if I was to buy it, it would be $50. But I find that kind of high. Maybe I'm just cheap. What do you think? So before I go on, I just wanted to show you. Here are some of the things I had to choose from. I wonder what that is. Because some of these may, it's a throw. Lightweight throw. And I have lots of their blankets, and I really like them. But I didn't need another one. Okay, let's see. What was next? Oh, let me show you this. Here's some more things I could choose from. I really like that. Oh, I had a hard time deciding which one of those I wanted. All right, let me move on. So the next thing. So the game night bundle. Actually, this and this and this were all one item. I was thinking they were 3 different items, but they're all one item. They're calling it the Game Night Bundle, $50. Let the good times roll with your Game Night Bundle. All your one ticket to laughter and a little friendly competition packed with everything you need for a night of snacks, smiles, and scorekeeping. This set turns any table into an ultimate fun zone. $50, I don't know. I still think that's pricey, but I can't really be a good determiner of what because I haven't opened them up yet. But maybe it sounds a little bit more fair. I don't know. What do you think? So I tried the sweatshirt on. Fits really good. Actually, I wish it was a little bit bigger. It is running a little small in my opinion. But I will probably wear this. It's not really super duper heavy. Very comfortable. As far as the socks go, I was looking through here and I don't see anywhere in here where they have socks. So I'm wondering if they substituted for something else that I had asked for. Kind of curious about that. Anyway, I have to be careful on what I actually order through them because they do have things like mascara, which I'm allergic to, eye makeup, perfumes, I'm allergic to perfumes, candles, they love candles, and I can't do candles, I'm allergic to them too. So a lot of this stuff I have allergies to. So that is what is in the 2025 Winter Beachly box. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have any type of subscription box, what it is, and how you feel about it. Do you think that some of these companies just really jack up their prices a lot to make it look like you're saving money when things are on sale? kind of curious if you have the same feeling as I do on that. But I do want to thank y'all for joining me. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, even if it's just a little emoji. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.